There are places you visit once and never forget, places that seem to stay with you long after you leave. This villa, paradise, discreetly nestled at the base of the Troodos Mountains and perfectly positioned between Larnaka and Limassol in southern Cyprus, is one of those rare gems. Here, every corner, every view, and every sound of nature feels carefully designed to immerse you in a sense of peace, exclusivity, and understated luxury. A stay here is more than just accommodation. It is an immersion into a slower, richer way of life. Mornings start with the soft glow of sunlight over the hills. Afternoons are filled with the indulgence of poolside relaxation. And evenings bring the quiet luxury of dining under a starlit sky. From the moment you arrive, you are struck by the setting. As you approach paradise, to one side lies an olive grove, its silvery leaves shimmering in the Mediterranean sun. To the other, gentle rolling hills stretch lazily toward the horizon. The air is fresh and scented with wild herbs, and the quiet is so complete that you immediately feel the noise and stress of daily life melt away. It is more than a holiday destination, it is a sanctuary. Step inside, and you are greeted by a reception hall that exudes understated elegance. High ceilings and light-filled spaces create an immediate impression of openness. The reception hall flows seamlessly into the main lounge, a vast yet warm space with plush seating, perfect for relaxing with friends or curling up with a book. To one side, a private television lounge offers a more intimate corner for movie night. Each area has been carefully arranged to create both communal gathering spaces and private retreats within the home. Food is a central part of life here, and Paradise offers no fewer than 3 dining areas to suit your mood. For a touch of elegance, the formal winter dining room is ideal for celebratory dinners, its tasteful decor setting the stage for evenings to remember. By day, the summer dining room is flooded with natural light, making it a perfect breakfast spot where you can sip your morning coffee while gazing out at the surrounding hills. For alfresco dining, step out onto the terrace directly off the fully equipped kitchen. This outdoor dining area is more than a table with a view, it is an experience. The landscape stretches all the way to Ziggy Bay, and as the light shifts through the day, so does the mood of your surroundings. Morning skies glow soft and golden, afternoons are bright and vivid, and evenings wrap the terrace in fiery hues as the sun dips below the horizon. Upstairs, 4 spacious ensuite bedrooms offer a retreat for every guest. Each room has its own ensuite bathroom or shower room, ensuring both comfort and privacy. 3 of the bedrooms feature large double beds, each positioned to maximize the views, while the 4th provides twin beds perfect for children or visiting friends. Every detail has been considered, from the quality of the linens to the soft ambient lighting and the gentle breeze that drifts in through the windows at night. These are rooms designed not just for sleep, but for deep rest. Waking here feels effortless, as though the villa itself has restored you overnight. While the interiors create a sense of calm, it is outside that the villa truly reveals its magic. But it is the calm atmosphere that captivates you most. Paradise has been designed to welcome you in, not to overwhelm you. A short flight of stairs from the terrace brings you down to the pool area, a private oasis that blends seamlessly with the natural landscape. The pool is crystal clear and chlorine-free, flanked by sunbeds where you can stretch out with a book or simply close your eyes and soak in the warmth of the Mediterranean sun. For those who enjoy a touch of activity, a table tennis set is ready to spark friendly competition. And when the sun reaches its height, the shaded pool bar calls to you. Here, a cocktail in hand, you can lean back and take in the extraordinary panorama rolling hills, giving way to the shimmer of Zaigi Bay in the distance. What sets Paradise apart is not only its beauty, but its promise of privacy. It offers complete seclusion without sacrificing convenience. Paradise is just 5 minutes drive from the motorway, with Limassol and Larnaka both within easy reach. Yet here you feel worlds away. No passing traffic, no interruptions, just the gentle sounds of nature. Whether you come with family, friends, or even on your own, the atmosphere nurtures connection, relaxation, and joy. It is paradise.